Who says women after 35 can't put their concealer on like this? Hey everyone, it's Bordeaux Rose here. I am coming on today with a demo. I promised a demo in this video. I'm sorry, I'm trying to do everything with my smoothie. I promised a demo for this palette. This is the Strawberry Dream palette by Lunar Beauty. Here it is, here it is. Isn't she pretty? I still absolutely love this palette. I got it before I went out of town. Well, no, when I got back in town, it was here ready for me to review. So, purchased it before I went out of town though. And I have used it, excuse me. This smoothie's so good, y'all. It has papaya, pineapple, coconut, bananas, and almond milk. Unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Go figure, whatever. Anywho, let's jump right into it. I was looking at my shirt and I'm like, this is, well, it's actually not a shirt, it's a dress. It's one of my favorite dresses. You might have seen me wear it before. But I'm gonna do something like because I love the blues, I'm gonna go in and we're gonna do a look surrounding this blue color right here and kind of pop it into like pink, which is gonna be like, what girl, what are you talking about? But I'm gonna show you how we gonna do this, okay? All right, so where's my brush? I wanted to do another look with the Jackie Aina palette, but I'm allergic to her. I'm so upset about that. And you know what? I have the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm allergic to that one too. I realized that whenever I use those palettes, I get like itchy, watery eyes, and I don't know why. But anywho, let's do this. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which I do Skyline for every look that I do from this palette, which I've done a lot. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot to set my concealer. Wait a minute. Okay, I'll use this mirror. I forgot to set my concealer. Look at her, she's all creasy. Yeah, we don't want that. Okay. You know, this is human things here. Humans, we all make mistakes. Okay. I just put down a little concealer and then I put a little bit of setting powder over it. But today I'm using the Coty Airspun setting powder. I didn't put anything under my eye because I normally don't do fallout, but when I don't get fallout with this palette. But when I get into that blue, which I have not used yet, I'm gonna put down some because I'm not too sure. It's the first time I'll be using that shadow. But anyway, here we go. Now, like I told you guys in my first impressions video of this palette, the colors are so nice. They perform so well. There's not a lot of struggling with this palette. As you can see, such a light color goes on so well. I'm sorry if you can hear my dryer in the background. But let's see here. I just want to show you guys how well these colors go on without fuss, you know what I mean? And when I'm in the morning, you know me, I always talk about the fact that I'm really busy and I really don't have time to sit and make eyeshadows work. You know, I have to go to work, I don't have time, okay? Then I'm gonna go into the color Sunrise right here. All right, hopefully you saw that. And just pack that into the crease. Look how easy. That's what I love. Love when a eyeshadow just goes on so easy. And this is just like, you know, a beginner friendly colorful look. You know, if you're not like a makeup artist, don't be so intimidated, because I know how it is. Like, you know, I feel sometimes that the makeup artist is like so intimidated when they post on their Instagrams all these intricate looks that are so like perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's makeup, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna go deep into the crease, girl, with this pink color right here. Okay, it's called Pink Flash. Okay. And now that I'm combining Pink Flash with these other orange colors, it's kind of turning it red. But I want it to be like really deep like red. But do you see how easy these colors perform? Like how they just go on your eyes like without fuss. I love these palettes. So now I'm gonna take and I brushed off this, kind of cleaned off this brush, and I'm gonna go and just kind of blend this color to make it look a little bit more, let's say airbrushed. Is that the word I want to use? Okay. And I always do both eyes at the same time because again, I'll be in a rush, okay? Now the next color I'm gonna go into is that blue. I'm going into the blue, I'm going into the blue. What? Oh, here it is. I use a fluffy brush to put this on because I like how it looks with a fluffy brush, so, okay. But, oh, let me put down some powder first because I have not used this color before, so I don't know what it's gonna do to my under eye. Oh, you guys probably hear my baby in the background. He's 3. And they're playing away. Okay. Now we're gonna go into the blue. The blue is called Blue Sky. I've used this darker blue before, Haze, and it was perfect. Matter of fact, you'll see me wearing that shadow in the first impressions video. But I just go into it like this. There is quite a bit of kickback on this palette as well. Okay, but kickback doesn't really bother me, you know what I mean? Alright. I don't know why I like to use brushes like this. It'll probably be easier if I use like a flat brush, but I don't know. I just feel like it gets the product on better. You see what I'm saying? The colors. I don't care about the inner third because I'm gonna go in with another color in there. I know, right? Just a little fun look. So I would say that on first swipe, you don't get like a very opaque coverage, but if you keep building, you get that color. As you can see, it's definitely buildable. All right, just take it a little bit out of the immediate lid area, just a little bit. Now what I'm gonna do is go back into this color Pink Flash, this one. Okay, and just kind of marry the two in the crease. All right, that's exactly what I wanted. whether you like it or not. All right, so now let's check fallout. Did I get quite a bit of fallout there? I did get fallout, but it's not ridiculous. And I did transfer some of that blue on my under eye because of the way I was using my brush. Okay, but that's exactly what I wanted. Okay, now I'm gonna go. The camera's flashing at me. Let's see how long it takes her to die. But now I'm gonna go on my under eye with that darker blue haze. This one. Thank goodness I don't have any like business meetings today. Or else this would be super distracting. Haze is a color that you would have to build on, you know. But I'm gonna go into Sweet Dreams and just put her in the inner corner. This is a nice color. It comes off really easy. Just kind of marry it to the crease a little bit. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna come back. I'm not gonna use any more shadows. That's it for me. I'm gonna come back with the finished look, lashes and everything, and just tell you what I think. All right. Okay, so I am done. I added a lash lip gloss, which also belongs to this collection, but I actually put it over this lipstick. Why did I put it back? Oh goodness. This one by e.l.f. So I like to put my lipstick on as if there were a stain. So this is the Wine Tour by e.l.f. It's a liquid matte lipstick, okay? And I put this on, I blot it with my lip, with my finger, and then I put on the Manny MUA Lunar Beauty Lip Gloss in Dreamy. And again, that is a part of this collection. Now, I just want to go over, you know, the pricing, because I don't believe that I told the pricing in the first video. So the gloss was $17, okay? And then the palette is, how much is the palette, girl? Oh, I don't see the palette. Oh, $48. I don't remember. $48 for the palette and $17 for the gloss, okay? Do I think it's overpriced? No, because look at this look. It's gorgeous. And I use the blues all the time. I saw people doing looks that were more gravitated towards, you know, the lighter colors, but I wanted to do something, you know, kind of funky, you know what I mean? And the reason that I say that this palette is worth $48 is because it took me what? I mean, you guys, I'm always stuttering, okay? But you guys saw me when I did the look. It took me a couple minutes to do this look, you know? And again, I'm not a makeup artist. You'll always hear me say that. I am not a pro. So for somebody that wants a quick, nice, colorful look, you know, as an amateur, I really think that this is really good. When you have shadows that perform like this, I mean, come on, like, come on, like, really. And the packaging, and you know what, it's supposed to smell like strawberry. When I first opened it, I smelled the strawberry, but the strawberry smell now is kind of faint. I don't know if it's because I've been using it or what. I have to go really close up to it, which I really appreciate, because I don't want an offensive odor of strawberry, and it's an artificial strawberry smell as well, so it's not like your strawberries that you pick off the vine or whatever the case may be. The lip gloss, I don't remember, did it have a smell? A little light, like that normal light vanilla-y scent, but other than that, this is the look. I really like it. Okay, and I will be buying whatever other palette comes out, unless it's just super boring. But I love Lunar Beauty. Their shadows are the best. But anyway, I just want to share this look with you guys, show you that you don't have to just gravitate towards, you know, these lighter colors in the palette. You know, you can do something funky and cool with this palette. Don't be afraid, it works well. I didn't put any black liner or anything because it's daytime. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Do me a favor, like this video, because some people are watching and they're not liking. Subscribe if you happen to like me or like the look or like the way I do reviews. But go ahead, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Again, positive. Hey, yo, you guys have to be quiet.